Okay, last video. As you can see, there's the greenhouse. One thing I forgot to tell you, but I'll do it in this video, is I would do that first, then the deck, and then the rock garden. And then what you're gonna do is come through this gate. It's in the back here. Okay, so that's the front of the house. So you turn around. This is this little gate right here. Okay, come back around and you're gonna go to the garden. And you don't have to do much in the garden. I have it on a timer. Don't touch the timer. I'll show you that to you in just a minute. As you walk back here, I think I got it set up that it will just sprinkle mostly at night. I'd just like you to check it to see if it is wet. So kind of just follow a path. You'll see a garden hose. I'll tell you where the garden is. So it isn't much of one, but yeah, come around the corner here and ooh, it is wet. Okay, so it ran. Yeah, so I don't think you're gonna need to touch it at all. There's this, it's all set. It's covering everything. Yeah, it's got everything. You can see there's a tomato over there and some squash plants right there. I know it doesn't look like much, but the corn is coming up and a couple of potatoes are coming up. So yeah, there's some potatoes right there. So it ran. We're good to go. Looks like we've had some tracks through here last night. Bummer. So anyway, that's the garden. It's all set up. I'm going to show you where the timer is. If you follow the hose, so I turned around, follow the hose, you'll see two tires. Sorry, they're in the way. Now if you see tires, if you're in the right spot, follow the hose. And this is the timer. I've got it all set, so I don't think you have to do much. Yeah, and it's off right now, which is good, but anyway, you're good to go. I don't think you'll have to run it. Just text me if it looks dry. I doubt it. So anyway, and then I'm going to take you back here and show you. We'd like you to feed the cats. We just found kittens this morning on one of our tractor seats, and I forgot to tell you about the cats. So they're right next to the greenhouse. I have to weed eat this, don't I? So just make sure this gate is shut when you go through the garden. It's pretty easy. This thing right here, you'll see how to shut it. Just make sure it's shut. This goes right behind you. But you go to this little shed. Sorry, I gotta get in here and clean it, Cody. Cats have been using it, so you know what that means. It's right next to the greenhouse. Yeah, they're done. So, see that bowl right there? And that cat thing right there. And then this garbage can with that on it so the coons won't get into it is full of cat food. So if you'll fill that right there, self-feeder, and that, I would do it every third day. And yeah, and then shut the door when you leave. Okay, that's it. Last video. Thanks.